Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here again to talk about the mental well-being of students during the corona pandemic. Uh, After seeing the videos earlier, a number of questions have been received by me from the students. They have sent the videos asking the questions. Now I'm here again to interact with the students. Of course, it's not an interaction, rather giving the answers and to reach to the students having the same kind of queries. Here, I have divided these students into three categories. One category is the students, those who have just reached to 12th class and they have to appear in 2021 examinations, March. There is another category of the students, those who have to write the exams again. A few are pending, and one category of students, those who have taken gap of a year. So here are the questions. First, Khushi is coming to ask the question and I'll answer.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Khushi Joshi from class 12th Humanities. My question is that for now our classes are going online and every subject is being taught online. But the only thing which makes me worried about my studies are the exams. The exams we used to give normally, the quarterly exams after every 2 3 months we have our quarterly exams like that, but for now we are doing our studies online. Then what about those exams and the board exam which is going to be conducted in 2021 and the pre-board before that, all those things, how are those going to be conducted? And what if the situation goes worst and we don't get any vaccines? We've been quarantined for 2 more years. That should doesn't go like that. But what if? Thank you.
I'm very happy that you have asked a question, and after a long time, seeing you in uniform makes me really happy. Uh, uh, Regarding your question, I would like to say that you are telling that hope for the best and ready for the worst. So you are saying that it may last for a long time. I hope that soon we'll have some medicine or vaccine for coronavirus, but yes, it will take time. Until the medicine or the vaccine is not there, the situation is really grim. I do agree with you, but Khushi, uh, be hopeful, and if you are worried about your exams, that is the concern of everyone, and we'll try our level best as you are having your online classes, though you are not very well versed, you are not accustomed of it, but still you are attending the classes, and you people are doing well. So you'll be having online exams also, and in this regard, Ministry of Human Resource Development is working very hard day and night, and something will come soon that you'll come to know, uh, and your exams definitely will take place. Thank you, Khushi, for asking the question.
Good morning, everybody. Myself, Ritu, class 4. And I have a question related to the online classes. My studies have been delayed due to the changing of teaching arrangement caused by coronavirus. How this will be taken into consideration when applying of an extension?
Hello,
Thank you.
Neetu. You are again asking the same kind of a question, that if the coronavirus situation lasts long, what will happen? Nothing will happen, beta. Your classes will continue like that, and something will come positive. You'll have to attend the classes online, and I believe you all are very very busy the whole day, as far as the feedback from your parents have taken. And don't worry, because that worry is for your teachers, for the administration, and at a large scale for the Human Resource Development Ministry. And a task force is working day and night. So you should not worry about all those things. Rather, you should concentrate on the subject matter which you have to take up during this time. And I believe your teachers have finished the syllabus, which they have to finish by the month of April, as per the split up of syllabus. So don't worry, something will come very positive for you all. Thank you very much.
Hello, ma'am. I'm a Vanshika class 12 student. I'm just frustrated to study online on my phone and laptop. It just causes me headache, stress, and uneasiness. Now, I don't want to use my phone for studies. I just want my textbook in my hand. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Student from 12th Humanities who has to appear for the exams in 2021, Avanshika Rawat. Avanshika, you have a very valid point that you're not comfortable in reading the textbooks online. You have no problem in listening to the classes. So if you have problem in reading, don't read the books online. Try to procure the books, though it is a lockdown period, it is very difficult, but still, if you can procure books from your seniors, it would be better for you to read the books. And in online classes, whatever the teacher says, you just listen to it. And if the messages are given on the WhatsApp, you can always read. So that way you can solve your problem and be happy. Try to adjust with the new situation. Thank you.
Morning, ma'am. I'm Nisha Mishra from KUN Kolaba. I want to show you the current situation of lockdown at home, where the student want to study, but there's so many distractions we faced, like mobile phones, laptop, games, etc. We always think that we will do tomorrow, but that tomorrow never comes. I just want to ask him, how can I manage my time and how can I utilize my time? Thank
Nisha,
you.
very good morning to you. I'm so happy to see you online, and you got so motivated that you're asking a question. Nisha is a student of class 12th commerce who has to appear in the exams in 2021. Nisha, your strength is that you know that you are distracted. That's quite very natural. आप डिस्ट्रैक्टेड रहेंगे, वो बहुत स्वाभाविक है इस उम्र के लिए. लेकिन क्योंकि आपको एहसास है कि आप डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हैं, तो यू ट्राई योर बेस्ट टू गेट कनेक्टेड विद योर स्टडीज. ठीक है. अभी घर पे ही हैं आप पूरे टाइम, तो आपके पास बहुत टाइम है. लेकिन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस पर कंसंट्रेट कीजिए. जो आपको होमवर्क दिया जा रहा है उसको पूरा कीजिए. और जो कंटेंट है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप हर समय पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन जो कंटेंट है, सब्जेक्ट मैटर है, आप उसके टच में ज़रूर रहिए. और एक रूटीन सेट कर लीजिए, तो आपका डिस्ट्रैक्शन थोड़ा सा कम होगा. मैंने पिछले वीडियोस में भी बताया है, क्योंकि इन दिनों में आपका रूटीन डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, इसकी वजह से आपका डिस्ट्रैक्शन भी ज़्यादा होता है और समय का पता ही नहीं लगता कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं. सो ट्राई योर बेस्ट टू हैव अ रूटीन एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू वर्क ऑन इट. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि कोरोना वायरस की वजह से हमारे एग्ज़ाम पोस्टपोन हो गए हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमारा रिजल्ट भी देरी से आएगा. तो मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि क्या सीबीएसई या गवर्नमेंट किसी भी तरीके का कोई ऐसा स्टेप लेगी जिससे हम स्टूडेंट्स को कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेने के वक्त कोई दिक्कत का सामना ना करना पड़े? क्या हमारा एडमिशन बिना किसी रुकावट के यूनिवर्सिटी और कॉलेजेस में एक्सेप्ट किया जाएगा?
तो नेहा, आपकी समस्या है कि आप एग्ज़ाम्स अभी पूरे दे नहीं पाई हैं, और आने वाले समय में कब तक वो एग्ज़ाम्स होंगे, आपकी वो क्वेरी है. आगे आपके एडमिशन्स कैसे होंगे, आपकी दूसरी वो क्वेरी है. मैं आपसे यही कहूँगी कि आप परेशान ज़्यादा ना हो, और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री कुछ ना कुछ आपके लिए सोच रही है, कुछ कर रही है. एंड हायर एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस में एडमिशन्स के लिए युद्ध स्तर पर काम चल रहा है. परम आदरणीय मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्री जी श्री रमेश पोखरियाल जी ने कल एक ऑनलाइन मीटिंग की जिसमें कि अवगत कराया कि बच्चों के भविष्य को बहुत ध्यान दे करके उच्च स्तर पर शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में कुछ निर्णय लिए जा रहे हैं। अभी चूँकि ये पॉलिसी मैटर है, कुछ क्लियर जो है सामने नहीं आया है, जिस वजह से मैं आपको तो कुछ ऐसा बता नहीं सकती हूँ, लेकिन निश्चित ही शीघ्र ही कुछ ना कुछ सामने आएगा और आपको पता चलेगा। धन्यवाद। कीप योरसेल्फ वेरी हेल्दी एंड डोंट गेट मेंटली डिस्टर्ब। पिछले वीडियोस में जो आपको कारगर तरीके बताए गए हैं जिससे कि आप अपने मेंटल बैलेंस को बनाए रख सकते हैं, आप उनका प्रयोग कीजिए। कुछ ना कुछ रूटीन ज़रूर फॉलो कीजिए और जो आपका सब्जेक्ट मैटर है उसके टच में ज़रूर रहिए, जिससे कि आप बचे हुए एग्ज़ाम्स भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर सकें और आगे के एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम्स में भी आप अपीयर हो सकें। थैंक यू वेरी मच नेहा फॉर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन।
Good morning, ma'am. This is Roshishnu Mishra of class 12C Humanities, KV number 1, Kolaba. I have still geography exam pending, and my query is that I'm not able to concentrate and study for the exam and for the future exams. What can I do? Please tell.
Hi Rochishnu, you have a question that you're not able to concentrate for your further exam. In my early videos, I told you that prepare a routine as well as meditate for a while. Do yoga, take help of your parents, and concentrate a bit, not much. I'm not expecting too much from you, but little bit you can do. You know that you're not able to concentrate. Don't get disturbed. Disturbance means it's a kind of mental disturbance. Don't get disturbed. Have a settled psychology. Think that something very good will come to you, and keep in touch with your teacher, subject teacher whose exam is pending, that is geography, and be calm, quiet, and concentrate. Be in touch with the content matter of geography. Okay, that will give you confidence, and don't get disturbed. Mental fitness is more important. You are more precious for us, for the society, for the nation, and for everyone, and something good will come to you. Thank you, Rochishnu.
Hi ma'am, it is Sheetal and I am appearing for 12th boards this year, and our exams are getting postponed due to COVID-19, which is very disturbing for us. As we all know that even this year we students are applying for entrance exams in different colleges and institutes. Even I have applied for RIE and CEE, so I am getting disturbed to what to study first, as when I choose one, the other disturbs me a lot and I get panic about that. Even my sister, she has appeared 12th last year and she has taken job for 1 year. Now this year she was going to appear for NEET exams. Even she is very disturbed as she has already invested her 1 year. She is worried about this year also get wasted. Ma'am, your last video were very helpful for us. Please tell us about how to manage both these studies and be stress-free in such difficult times. Thank you. Thank you a lot, ma'am, for supporting. Thank you.
Sheetal, I have already given answer for your question. You are aspiring to get admission in RI. So you have a query regarding the entrance exams, as well as the another problem which you said that your sister has taken a drop, and again there is a problem of entrance exams. Something on a war footing going on, as I told you earlier, and this is a policy matter. Of course something will come out, but since you have to appear for the entrance exams, so keep in touch with the subject matter. Don't waste your time. Have a very settled psychology. Do little meditation. Have a routine. and concentrate in your studies, because use this time as an opportunity. There is no other work you have to do. You have to sit at home and prepare. So keep in touch with the subject matter, use this time positively, and prepare maximum you can. Thank you. Any questions are there? Those I'll be answering in the next video. Children, your safety, your security is the actual concern, as Minister Sir also has expressed, that I would like to convey from this platform, that stay safe, stay home, and keep yourself very healthy physically and mentally. Till then, goodbye.